What if every swipe, every subscription, every transaction earned you more than just points? What if it grew your wealth? This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risk such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so guys, this is the landing page of Crypto.com. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is actually presenting a unified platform that is designed to integrate digital finance with everyday lifestyle benefits. Now, it also enables the users to earn instant cryptocurrency rewards from routine purchases, which creates a seamless connection between spending as well as digital asset accumulation. Now, the platform also allows the users to track their streaming subscriptions, CRO rewards, and investment-related perks within a single interface. It also simplifies the financial management and enhances the accessibility. Now, guys, you can see this. This is the one for Crypto.com Level Up, and there is a lot of different information that will help you get to know this more. They have their subscriptions right here. So you have three. Okay, you have Plus, which is the $4.99 a month, which will give you zero trading fees, up to $20,000 a month, 0% foreign exchange fees. And as you go higher on the subscriptions, you could actually get better deals. All right, so this is the Pro, which is $29.99. These are the ones that are included in that one. And of course, you have the private. It's going to give you a lot more than what you think. So guys, beyond trading, Crypto.com positions itself as a comprehensive ecosystem that supports both financial growth and daily convenience as well. Now, the streamlined subscription model provides users with access to a range of benefits without any of those unnecessary complexities. So this approach emphasizes usability, making the digital finance more approachable for individuals that are seeking both utility and efficiency in one platform. Now, Crypto.com is also introducing and users would be able to access high yield cash accounts that offers very competitive annual percentage yields and allows funds to grow steadily over time. Additionally, eligible users in supported regions can also benefit from stock and ETM transfer incentives, further expanding the platform's financial utility. And you have the disclaimer here as well. I would, of course, strongly recommend that you go ahead and check all those one up. That way, it will help you get to know them better. And what are the things that you need to know about this Crypto.com Level Up? All right, so in addition to the financial features, guys, Crypto.com is also incorporating the lifestyle-oriented perks that extend beyond the traditional fintech services. These include the rebates on popular streaming services such as Netflix and Spotify, as well as the airport lounge access for frequent travelers out there. So by combining those financial tools with everyday rewards, Crypto.com, guys, it delivers that multifaceted experience that aligns digital asset usage with modern lifestyle needs while maintaining that structured and user-friendly approach. Now, guys, here in their website, you have a lot of information. If you hover over your market, you have altcoins, basket, earn, staking. You even have predictions here. Okay, sports, financial, elections, economics, and of course, what's trending. Okay, those are your blue chip, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you also have the altcoins right there, as well as you have the meme coins. Now, of course, I would strongly recommend that go ahead and check out the website. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Take off. And guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.